Ever heard of the Aeronautical Information Manual, or AIM for short? It's a goldmine of info from the FAA, packed with essential flight information and ATC procedures for navigating the U.S. National Airspace System. Let's talk about what's inside. Inside of the AIM, you can see there's air navigation, aeronautical lighting, and other airport visual aids, airspace, air traffic controls, air traffic procedures, emergency procedures, safety of flight, medical facts for pilots, aeronautical charts and related publications, helicopter operations, let's go, unmanned aircraft systems or UAS, bird and other wildlife strike reports, volcanic activity reporting, abbreviations, acronyms, and appendixes. The AIM is designed to provide pilots with all of the basics for flying in the U.S. National Airspace System. Even though the AIM is non-regulatory in nature, ignoring its guidelines can still be considered reckless. In the following videos, I'll break down what each section covers. I implore you to study the AIM on your own to get a better understanding of what each chapter covers and to dive deeper into the areas that you find interesting. Be sure to like and subscribe for more information. If you're serious about helicopters and you don't know where to start, I'd love to help you out. I have a free course that's perfect for you. Click the link below to check it out.